by the name of Solo Driven. Welcome to Solo Driven. I go by the name of Solo. Okay. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome to Solo Driven. Now today we're going to be doing a shorter video than usual. But if you read in the title, yes, we're going to be doing a dyno day. Now I must say that this footage is rather old. It's when I first got the car before I had even completed the exhaust. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that video out. Now the reason I'm doing this video is to show you guys what kind of numbers this car is putting to the rear wheels as we speak, and also for the future when I start heavily, I won't say heavily, but when I start modifying the car, we can see what type of differences these mods did make when we take it to the dyno again in the future. Now a quick run through of what you're gonna see right now. The car is gonna get put on the dyno really fast. They're gonna do 2 runs and 2 runs only. We'll discuss the numbers right after you see the footage. So take a guess right now in the comment section below of what you think the Hades Cobra is pushing to the wheels right now. But for now, let's take a blast to the past. That clutch is something else. They say that the Terminator comes with one of the most unforgiving clutches. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I have to say and mention that at the time that I took that footage, the car had a vacuum leak. Now that the vacuum leak is resolved, we should see some better numbers. Okay, so here are the results from that day, which happened to be February 23rd of 2019, like I said, in the beginning of the year. And from what the chart shows, I mean, it looks rather good to me, at least to my knowledge. You know, I'm not a professional. I don't really know how to read these graphs that well. So the numbers are 405 horsepower at 377 foot-pounds of torque. Now again, that was when the car had that vacuum leak. So those are the numbers from that day. 405 horsepower to the wheels with 377 foot-pounds of torque. Another thing, I believe that the fuel pump is going out. I'm gonna try and do a cold start right now to see if I can get what it's doing, but sometimes when I start it up, it sounds like it's struggling to push that fuel through the lines. So I believe the fuel pump is going out. And if you remember in a previous video, I did say that I want to do the E85 conversion. So as soon as that clutch goes in, I believe I'm gonna have no choice but to swap out that fuel pump and get the E85 going. Of course, it's not gonna do it the one time I'm trying to show you guys what I'm talking about, but I mean, damn, this car sounds good. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos on the build. It really helped me out. I'll see you on the